Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To use HappyMod safely, follow these precautions. First, ensure downloading HappyMod from its official website to avoid counterfeit versions. Always keep your device's antivirus software up to date to protect against potential malware. Before downloading any mods, check user reviews and ratings within HappyMod. They can offer insights into the mod's functionality and safety. Be cautious of granting unnecessary permissions to downloaded apps. Lastly, consider using a VPN to maintain your online privacy. By adhering to these guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with using modded apps.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.